What's up, guys? We're going to go ahead and review Proton VPN. It just recently caught my attention here. We're going to go ahead and test it out. I like the look of it here. It looks pretty cool. I like the way it shows all the different servers around here. I'm using the free trial right now. If we go to the website here, if you want to try it out, go to protonvpn.com. Click on the pricing tab up here, and right here's the free edition. Click on get free right here, and it should have you make an account. It'll take you down right here. You type in your email and it'll help you create an account. And once you have the account, you can log into it and use the free trial. And as you can tell here, I just activated it not so long ago, so I have 6 days and 23 hours left of the free trial here. We're going to go ahead and try to connect here. We're going to select Australia here and connect. Alright, it's connecting here. I have noticed it takes a while for it to connect, but there it is, connected to Australia. So the IP address that we have right now is 185.161.201.17. Let's go ahead and put that on the look VPN and see. Look IP address on the net and see where that's at. Alright, guys, so we went to whatismyipaddress.com, and here is that IP address, and it says Australia. So it looks like it works, guys. It is connected to Australia. That is really cool. We're going to try a different country now. Let's try Hong Kong. Hong Kong 1, connecting. Like I said, guys, it takes a while. There it's connected successfully, and there we are. Let's go ahead and refresh what is our IP address. And it should say Hong Kong. Let's see, guys. It says Malaysia. What the heck? What? Malaysia? I think Malaysia is close to China there, I think. I'm not sure. Huh. That's weird. It says Hong Kong here, but it comes up as Malaysia when you look up the IP address. So there is some options. If you go up here to the upper left hand corner, right here you can go to account, and here you can see the different accounts. Right now we're using the free one, which says we can only use 3 countries and 1 device. The basic, which says here it costs $5 or $48 per year. Huh. This one has limited servers access and has 32 countries. You can have it up to 2 devices. Then the Plus has also 32 countries, but has all server access. Visionary, I wonder, has 32 countries and 10 devices, and that costs $30. I think that's per month, and then $288 per year if you were to get the whole year. So there it is. Cool. Also, you can go to profiles and you can make your own profile here. If you wanted to right away connect to a certain profile, certain type of server with speed and everything, you can make your own right there. So that's pretty cool. And the settings, and I recommend just leave the settings the way they are, but here you can actually change it to start minimized. You can put it to taskbar or system tray. You can make it start with Windows. When your computer first starts up, it'll come up automatically. That's what I recommend you do if you really like to be on virtual private network. So it looks like it works. It does hide your IP address, and you can select different countries here. I like that. Easy access. I don't know what that is really. I'm trying to hit the information button here, but it doesn't do nothing. So we can't see what that is. You can do auto connect, quick connect, or default protocol. You can change it to TCP if you wanted to. Just leave it the way it is, guys. You guys don't really need to be messing with that. You can have a VPN kill switch. I wish you could click here and get more information, like how to use it. DNS leak protection and split tunneling. More advanced settings right there. And that is about it. Other than that, there's help, report bug, and log out. So there we have it, guys. It looks like it works pretty good. We tested it with whatismyipaddress.com, and it does work pretty good. I am, however, curious to see what the speed is. Let's do a speed tester. I want to see how fast it is. So we'll do a quick speed tester with it. Oh, look, we're logged into the Chinese server, so everything comes up as Chinese. Look at this. This is crazy. That's crazy. Let's change it up. Let's go back to let's go to France, because that's kind of weird being with Chinese stuff. I don't know, man. We're gonna get a low social score. If you guys know what's going on in China, you know exactly what I'm talking about there. But let's connect to France. We're connecting right now. It looks like we're connected to France. All right. Let's reset this. Let's do. Oh, look, it's all in French. Look at this. Lancer la test de vitesse. All right. Let's see what the speed is. We're connected to the French server right now. That's not bad. That's not bad. That's about the. I don't have the fastest internet. That's about just normal right there. That works pretty good. Not bad. I'm impressed. I'm impressed. Cool, guys. Now something I can't find here is how much data we have. Like how much gigs can we use? I have not found anything like that. It could be that it's unlimited. If it's unlimited, this is a really, really good virtual private network program, or how they call them now, apps, but I like to just call them programs. This is a good program. It works pretty good. It does. But I don't see here how much you got. It doesn't say how much I got to use. Maybe it is unlimited. If you guys find out, let me know. But as far as I know right now, it might be unlimited. We're using the free edition. The trial expires here pretty soon. So it's not really free if you have a trial, guys. Alright, it's a free trial, not free. So I wonder, once the free trial expires, I wonder if I can still use it. If not, it's not really a free program. It's actually a trial. I don't like how they sometimes market it like that. But I like it, guys. I gotta give this I'm gonna give it, I like it. I actually like it. If it really is truly unlimited, I'll give it a 4 out of 5. If it is limited, then I mean, it is a free edition, so you know, you don't expect to have everything for free, you know. So I'm gonna give it a 4 out of 5. I like it. 4 out of 5, guys. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you soon in the next review video. Let me know in the comment section of the video what you think about this program. I like it. It's pretty cool. It works. We tested it. You saw how it works on Google. Have a good rest of your day, guys.